Welcome to Equals TV, Algebra on the Go. Our topic for today is Division of Polynomials, Grade 7 Math, Second Quarter. So this time, magdi-divide po tayo ng polynomials. Okay? So yan pong napag-aralan natin o yung tinake up po natin before na tatlong topic po. So ito po yung addition of polynomials, subtraction of polynomials, and multiplication of polynomials. So ito pong tatlong ito, i-apply po natin dito po sa division of polynomials. Okay, so let's divide the following polynomials. Okay, example number 1, x cubed minus 3x squared plus 7x plus 5 divided by x minus 2. Okay, so the first thing to do is to check the given polynomials. Naka-arrange po ba siya into descending order? So pag sinabi pong descending order, naka-arrange po ba siya pinakamataas, pababa. Okay, so i-check po muna natin kung naka-arrange po siya. Okay, so ang pinakamataas po dito is x cubed, nasa unahan. Okay, tama po. Followed by x squared, then x, then constant. Okay, naka-arrange po ang given polynomial. So ito pong ating divisor, naka-arrange din po. So ito pong ating first polynomial, ito po ang ating dividend. And the second one is the divisor. Okay, so gagawa po tayo ng division symbol. Then ilalagay po natin sa loob ito pong dividend. Okay, so gawa po tayo. Division symbol. Then, ilagay po natin sa loob itong dividend. So, we have x cubed minus 3x squared plus 7x plus 5. Then, ito pong divisor, x minus 2, dito po natin ilalagay sa labas. Okay. So, ang una po natin gagawin is to divide the first term of the dividend dito po sa first term ng divisor. Okay? Ang first term po ng dividend is x cubed. Okay, so we have x cubed divided by first term ng divisor is x equals, okay? So, i-factors po natin itong x cubed. So, we have x times x times x over, so we have x. Then, canceled. So, ang natira po is x times x is equals to x squared. Okay. So, x cubed divided by x is equals to x squared. Okay. So, ilagay po natin sa taas, x squared. Okay. So, ito po ang ating initial quotient. Okay. So, bakit po siya tinawag na initial quotient? Kasi po, meron po mga kasunod pa po yan dito. Okay. Then, after getting the initial quotient, i-multiply po natin ito dito po sa divisor. Okay? So, let's multiply. X squared times x, that is x cubed. Then x squared times negative 2, that is negative 2x squared. Then, subtraction po tayo. Then, kung naalala niyo po, sa subtraction of polynomials, nag-change po tayo ng sign ng subtrahend. So, ang subtrahend po natin dito ay ito pong nasa ilalim. Okay? So, i-change po natin ang mga sign. So, positive x cubed becomes negative. Then, negative 2x squared becomes positive. Then, proceed to addition. So, ito pong minus sign magiging positive na po. Then, x cubed minus x cubed, makakancel na po ito. So, 0 po yan. Then, negative 3x squared plus 2x squared, that is negative x squared. Then, bring down positive 7x. Then, repeat lang po natin yung process. I-divide po natin yung first term ng dividend dito po sa first term ng divisor. Okay? So, we have negative x squared divided by, so we have x equals, okay, kunin po natin ang factors ng negative x squared. So, we have negative x times x over x. Then, canceled, canceled. So, ang natira po is negative x. So, negative x squared divided by x is equals to negative x. Okay, so ilagay po natin dito sa taas, negative x. Then, multiply po natin dito sa divisor. Negative x times x, that is negative x squared. Then, negative x times negative 2, that is positive 2x. Then, subtraction. Then, change the sign of the subtrahend. Okay, so ito pong nasa baba. So, negative x squared becomes positive. Then, positive 2x becomes negative. So, negative x squared plus x squared, makakancel na po ito. 0 na po yan. Proceed po muna tayo sa subtraction, no? Then, nakancel na po natin. 0. Then, 7x minus 2x, that is positive 5x. Then, bring down positive 5. Then, repeat the process. Okay, yung first term ng dividend, i-divide po natin dito uli sa first term ng divisor. So, we have 5x divided by, so we have x equals, okay, dito na tayo mag-cancel. Cancelled x. So, natira po is 5. So, 5x divided by x, that is positive 5. Then, multiply po natin ulit dito sa divisor. So, we have 5 times x, that is 5x. Then, 5 times negative 2, that is negative 10. Then, subtraction po. Then, change the sign of the subtrahend. So, positive 5x becomes negative. Then, negative 10 becomes positive. Okay? Then, proceed to addition. Then, 5x minus 5x, makakancel na po ito. 0 po yan. Then, 5 plus 10, that is positive 15. Okay? So, ito pong 15, hindi na po natin pwedeng i-divide dito sa x. Kaya, magkakaroon po tayo ng remainder. So, ito pong 15 ay remainder. Okay? So, ilagay po natin remainder. Okay? So, paano po ikakopy itong remainder? Okay? Ganito po ang ating gagawin. Okay? Dahil positive po ang nakuha nating remainder, so mag-a-add po tayo dito ng positive. Then, i-copy po natin yung remainder, 15, over yung divisor po natin. Ano po ba yung divisor natin? X minus 2. So, we have x minus 2. Okay? So, this will be the final answer. So, we have x squared minus x plus 5 plus 15 over x minus 2. Okay. Example number 2. 4x cubed y minus 8x squared y squared plus xy cubed plus y to the fourth divided by 2x minus y. Okay, so ang una po natin gagawin, i-check po muna natin yung given. Kung naka-arrange po ba siya, highest to lowest degree. Okay? So, we have x cubed, pinakamataas. Okay, nasa unahan. Then, followed by x squared. Then, x. Then, y to the fourth. Okay, naka-arrange po. So, ito pong ating divisor, naka-arrange din po. Okay? So, ito pong ating first polynomial. Ito po ang ating dividend. And the second one is the divisor. Okay. Then, after na-check po natin yung arrangement, okay, so ilalagay po natin sa loob ng division symbol. Okay, ulitin lang natin. Medyo bumaloktot. Okay. Ito pong dividend. Ilalagay natin dito sa loob ng division symbol. So we have 4x cubed y minus 8x squared y squared plus x y cubed plus y to the fourth. Then, yung pong divisor natin, ilalagay natin dito sa may labas. So, we have 2x minus y. Okay, so the same process po ang ating gagawin. Okay, so i-divide po muna natin yung first term ng dividend sa first term po ng divisor. Okay, so we have 4x cubed y divided by, so we have 2x. Okay, equals, then kunin po muna natin ang factors ng 4. So we have 2 times 2 times, okay, factors ng x cubed, x times x times x, then times y over, so we have 2x, then cancelled ng 2, cancelled ng 2, then x, x. So, ang natira po dito sa numerator, so we have 2 times x times y is equals to, so we have 2, x times x, that is x squared. So, we have y. Okay, urong lang po natin para makita. Yan. Okay. So, 4x cubed y divided by 2x is equals to 2x squared y. Okay, so ilagay po natin dito sa taas. Then, i-multiply po natin dito sa divisor. So, we have 2x squared y times 2x, that is 4x cubed y. Then, 2x squared y times negative y, that is negative 2 x squared y squared. Then, subtraction po tayo. Then, change the sign of the subtrahend. So, positive 4x cubed y becomes negative. The negative 2x squared y squared becomes positive. Then, proceed to addition. Then, 4x cubed y minus 4x cubed y. Makakancel na po ito. So, 0 po yan. Then, negative x squared y squared plus 2x squared y squared, that is negative 6x squared y squared. Then bring down positive x y cubed. Okay? So the same process. Okay? Ulitin lang po natin. I-divide po natin yung first term ng dividend dito po sa first term ng divisor. Okay? So we have negative 6x squared y squared over, so we have 2x. Okay, equals, okay, kunin po muna natin ang factors ng negative 6. So we have negative 3 times 2. Then, factors ng x squared times x, then times y squared over 2x. O, I mean 2 times x. Okay, so cancelled po yung 2. Cancelled. Cancelled x. Cancelled x. Okay, so ang natira po sa taas, so we have negative 3. Then, xy squared. Okay, so negative 6x squared y divided by 2x, that is negative 3xy squared. Okay, so i-copy natin dito sa taas, negative 3x y squared. Then, i-multiply po natin dito sa divisor. So, we have negative 3xy squared times 2x, that is negative 6x squared y squared. Then, negative 3xy squared times negative y, that is positive 3 xy cubed. Then, proceed po tayo sa subtraction. Then, change the sign of the subtrahend. So, negative 6x squared y squared becomes positive. Then, positive 3 xy cubed becomes negative po yan. Okay, then proceed to addition. Then makakancel po ito, no? Negative 6x squared y squared plus 6x squared y squared. Cancel po yan. So magiging 0 na po yan. Then xy cubed minus 3xy cubed. That is negative 2xy cubed. Then bring down positive y to the fourth. Then, the same process, i-divide po natin yung first term ng dividend dito po sa first term ng divisor. So, we have negative 2xy cubed divided by, so we have 2x equals, okay, so dito na po tayo mag-cancel. Cancelled yung 2, cancelled yung 2, cancelled yung x, cancelled yung x. So, ang natira po is negative y cubed. Okay, so negative 2xy cubed divided by 2x is equals to negative y cubed. Okay, lagay po natin dito sa taas, negative y cubed. Then, i-multiply po natin dito sa divisor. Negative y cubed times 2x, that is negative 2x y cubed. Then, negative y cubed times negative y, that is positive y to the fourth. Then, proceed po tayo sa subtraction. Then, change the sign of the subtrahend. So, negative 2xy cubed becomes positive. Then, positive y to the fourth becomes negative. Then, proceed to addition. So, negative 2xy cubed plus 2xy cubed, makakancel na po ito, no? So, this is 0. Then, y to the fourth minus y to the fourth, makakancel din po ito. Okay? So, we have 0, 0. Okay? So, wala na po tayong natira dito. So, wala po tayong remainder. Okay? So, this will be the final answer. So, we have 2x squared y minus 3x y squared minus y cubed. So, ang tatandaan lang po natin dito sa division of polynomials, so ito pong first row, no? Palagi po yang nakakancel. Okay? So, makakancel lang po yan kapag nag-change na po tayo ng sign ng subtrahend. Okay? So, pag naging iba po yan, itong nasa baba, ibig sabihin, mali po yung nakuha yung quotient. Kailangan po magkaparehas po palagi ito. So, nakakancel po yan. Ayan, makikita nyo, nakakancel palagi. Okay? Then, so ito po yung tinatawag nating long division method. Okay? So, ito po ang ating in-apply to solve division of polynomials. Okay? So, thank you for watching. I hope you learned something from this topic. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on my next video.